Hi, everyone! Today we're going to be talking about one of the most beautiful color morphs of the ball python, the banana cinnamon ball python. We'll go over their traits, temperament, and care. So stay tuned! The banana cinnamon ball python is a stunning variant of the classic ball python, known for its vibrant golden hue and intricate chocolate brown patterns. It's a captivating blend of two fascinating genes, the banana and the cinnamon, which when combined produce a mesmerizing array of warm, rich colors that resemble swirls of banana and cinnamon in a luxurious dessert. Let's start with the history of the banana cinnamon morph. The story begins with two captivating genes, banana and cinnamon, each with its own tale to tell. The banana gene, also known as the yellow belly gene, was first discovered in the jungles of Ghana in West Africa. It was brought to the attention of scientists in the 1960s, when a shipment of ball pythons from Ghana contained snakes with unusual golden yellow undersides. This marked the beginning of the banana gene's journey into the world of reptile genetics. On the other hand, the cinnamon gene has a slightly more mysterious origin. It emerged in the reptile community in the 1980s. Initially identified in a single clutch of bull python eggs, the exact source of this gene remains uncertain, adding an air of intrigue to its discovery. What we do know is that this gene dramatically altered the ball python's appearance, setting the stage for its transformation into a golden-hued marvel. These two genes, when combined, produced a snake that had neither the earthy tones of the typical ball python nor the muted yellows of the standard banana morph. The result was a groundbreaking combination, a ball python that exhibited not only the rich golden yellow of the banana gene, but also the warm cinnamon undertones. The first documented banana cinnamon ball python was born in 1997. Since then, they have become one of the most sought-after color morphs in the pet and reptile industries. Banana cinnamon ball pythons have gained immense popularity due to their striking appearance. Their scales shimmer with a beautiful golden yellow hue, reminiscent of ripe bananas, creating a captivating contrast against their deep chocolate brown eyes. These mesmerizing patterns are a result of a complex interplay between genetics and the environment, influenced by factors such as temperature and lighting. As they grow, their bodies display a series of captivating bands and blotches that resemble swirls of banana and cinnamon. Their warm, rich colors create a mesmerizing spectacle, making them a favorite among reptile enthusiasts and collectors alike. Beyond their visual appeal, banana cinnamon ball pythons possess a gentle and docile temperament, a trait commonly associated with ball pythons. They are known for their calm demeanor and willingness to handle, making them an excellent choice for those seeking a serene and manageable pet. They are relatively small size, reaching an average length of 3 to 4 feet, further contributes to their appeal, ensuring they remain manageable companions without overwhelming their owners. However, the banana cinnamon ball python's allure doesn't end with its appearance and temperament. It also boasts a relatively straightforward care regimen. Much like their ball python counterparts, they thrive in a controlled environment that mimics their natural habitat. Providing a suitable enclosure with proper heating, lighting, and humidity levels is crucial for their well-being. While they may occasionally go on feeding frenzies, which can lead to overeating, careful monitoring of their diet can help prevent this issue. Regular veterinary checkups and vaccinations are also essential to ensure they stay healthy and vibrant. Overall, the banana cinnamon ball python stands as a testament to the wonders of genetics and the allure of unique color morphs in the reptile world. Their captivating appearance, gentle nature, and manageable care requirements have cemented their status as a beloved and sought-after addition to any reptile enthusiast's collection. Whether displayed in a terrarium or slithering around their owner's arms, the banana cinnamon ball python continues to captivate hearts and inspire awe. Now, let's discuss their habitat and geographic location. The banana cinnamon ball python is a captive bred color morph, meaning that it does not have a specific geographic location in the wild. They are found in various regions of Africa, including parts of Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, the Congo, and the Gabon. However, it is important to note that the banana cinnamon morph itself is not native to any particular area within these countries. Instead, it is the result of selective breeding in the pet and reptile industries. Captive breeding allows enthusiasts and experts to create unique color variations that would not occur naturally, such as the banana cinnamon morph. By carefully selecting snakes with the desired genetic traits and conducting controlled breeding, breeders can produce offspring that exhibit the stunning combination of warm, golden hues and intricate chocolate brown patterns that characterize the banana cinnamon ball python. This process ensures that the banana cinnamon morph remains a rare and sought-after find for those seeking to add this magnificent creature to their collection. When it comes to housing your banana cinnamon ball python, it's important to mimic their natural environment to keep them happy and healthy. Here are some guidelines for providing the right kind of enclosure. First, you want to have an appropriately sized enclosure. A good rule of thumb is to provide at least 20 gallons of space for every foot of your snake's length. For example, a 4-foot-long snake would need a minimum of 80 gallons of space. This allows them to move around comfortably without feeling cramped. Second, make sure the enclosure has proper heating and lighting. Ball pythons are tropical snakes, so they prefer a warm environment. You can use a heat lamp or a heat mat to maintain a basking temperature of around 88 to 92 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a thermostat to regulate the temperature and ensure it does not go above or below the desired range. Additionally, provide a cool side of the enclosure where the temperature is slightly lower, around 78 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature gradient allows the snake to thermoregulate by moving between the warm and cool areas. Also, while ball pythons don't need direct sunlight, they do appreciate some UVB light. You can use a UVB light bulb or provide them with access to a window that receives natural UVB rays. This helps them synthesize vitamin D3 and maintain healthy skin. And remember to provide a hide box on both sides of the enclosure. Snakes feel more secure with multiple hides, and it gives them a place to retreat to feel safe. Make sure the hides are large enough for the snake to turn around in, and that they are at the correct temperature. You can use pieces of wood, cork, bark, or plastic plants to create hides. In terms of feeding, banana cinnamon ball pythons have the same dietary needs as other ball pythons. They are non-venomous snakes that typically feed on small mammals, such as mice and rats. You can feed them frozen thawed rodents, and the size of the prey should match the snake's size. Generally, adult snakes can handle a rat that is about the same width as the snake's body. As for feeding frequency, it depends on the age and metabolism of the snake. Young and growing snakes require more frequent feedings than adults. Typically, juveniles should be fed every 1 to 2 weeks, while adults can be fed every 2 to 3 weeks. However, always monitor your snake's weight and adjust the feeding schedule as needed. When it comes to handling your banana cinnamon ball python, it's important to approach them calmly and confidently, as snakes can sense your emotions and react accordingly. Here are some tips to keep in mind. First, support the snake's body. When picking up your snake, gently support its body with your hands or arms. This prevents injury and makes handling easier. Approach their enclosure slowly and calmly. Before approaching the enclosure, take a moment to calm yourself down if you're feeling anxious or excited. Snakes can pick up on your energy, so it's important to be relaxed when handling them. Allow them to acclimate. When you bring your snake out of its enclosure, give it time to acclimate to its surroundings. Avoid handling them too much in a new environment or right after a stressful event. Be patient and let them settle down before attempting to handle them. Support their head and tail. When holding your snake, gently support its head and tail to keep it secure. This prevents them from slipping out of your grasp and potentially injuring themselves. If your snake becomes agitated, put them back in their enclosure and try again later. Not every snake enjoys being handled, and that's okay. Respect their boundaries and avoid forcing them to interact if they seem stressed or uncomfortable. Remember, with proper care, handling, and a balanced diet, your banana cinnamon ball python can live a long, healthy life. Their captivating appearance and gentle nature make them cherished companions for reptile enthusiasts. Enjoy the unique beauty of this stunning snake and the joy it brings to your life. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.